Watch this now. You know why? You see, even though no like your Kartel name, you see once you go against Kartel, bro, Masicka gain a lot of fans when he do sitting there with Kartel, you know. You might not agree, but I truth. You see me? Cause Masicka one side, genocide, bro. Masicka was this artist where in a middle, he no depend or he never really depend a side. You see, once you take side, bro, you're gonna lose because you have Gaza fans who rate you, you have Sparta fans who rate you, you have where Alkaline fans in him? Vendetta fans who rate you. So you see, once you go against these people, remember you're in a middle, you know, bro.
All right. So let me stop right there. So, and we have to understand. You see, music transitional, see?
Yeah.
And it keeps on moving.
Yes.
Now, when you say him lose fans, we can say, okay, for now, he probably lose a few fans. But the level of where Massacre is on right now, he might go gain fans over a period of time and he might go gain more. And really and truly, during that clash, him still gain fans, you know.